actually here.
Ethan boy, what's going on here?
Huh?
What's going on?
You wanna make dinner tonight?
Ethan's gonna cook something for dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
And what's the name of your dish? You can't
Chicken
even...
Alfredo.
Oh my god, Ethan, you're so clumsy.
Yeah.
Come on.
Got it?
You guys, are these all your cups, guys?
No, mine was over there.
And that's my cup.
Hi Jess, what's going on there?
Oh,
Romeo,
garlic.
you gonna help? You guys better wash hands first.
I look ugly right now.
Hmm?
That's later on. What time is it? Right?
It is time. What time are you gonna cook it? What is that, Jess?
This is Erica.
Alright. So I requested some California poke, but they ran out, right? You said, Jess?
No.
So we got some ahi shoyu poke, guys. Right there. I'm gonna eat that with, right there. My favorite chips right now. Salt, sea salt and pepper, guys. Chips. Ooh, eat that outside. Okay.
What's this white charger?
Turn it up. Just use my charger out there.
What are you guys doing there, Liza?
We're making chicken breast.
Oh wow, chicken breast. Okay. Chicken breast? Maybe I can do a time lapse over here. But this thing's in the way. Good job.
Oh, it's a mess over here.
Wow!
Tried
What's this thing called, Ethan boy?
chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo? Can I taste one of these chickens?
Taste
Yeah.
it, but it's
You sure it's cooked?
Yeah.
Of course it is.
Probably
did it.
What?
You can on the TV then.
Later. Alright, guys.
It just stick too much.
Here's the finished product, guys. Right over there. Ooh, I already ate some. Very good, kiddos. Oh, we got a whole bunch of noodles left.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yep. So, Ethan and Eliza did a good job. Maybe a little bit too much salt, but that's, it's a learning experience. Right, guys? Alrighty. Yeah, Mr. Romeo right there. Alright, guys.